Good morning, everyone. All right, so we got a lot to cover. This week is going to be epic, so make sure that you pay attention to everything that I'm going to cover. If you're trying to manually trade for yourself, if you are with the copycat service, again, this is one of those situations where, guess what, you don't have to do anything. Just set up your copycat and get copied on our trades, and there you go. Okay, so anyway, let's get into it. Let's start with the news, okay? Because this is going to be an epic week. Let me go ahead and reduce myself to smaller and get you guys onto this stuff, and then we'll get to the charts as well. As you can see, this week it's going to be very big because the biggest thing we have this week is going to be the presidential election, which is going to be on Tuesday. Tuesday is going to be really fired up. We also have the Fed's interest rates coming out on Thursday. So these are the two biggest events that's going to be coming out across the globe that's going to have global impact. Okay, whoever the president is over the United States is going to impact it, because currently the United States is still the leader of the free world. And then you have the interest rates that's going to impact the global economy, because the dollar is still widely accepted across the globe currently. All right. In addition to that, on Monday, you also have interest rates for the Australian dollar. You have New Zealand coming out with unemployment rates. This may cause a little bit of jerking in the market, but, not much. Pound is coming out with their interest rates on this week. And then you have jobless claims on Thursday. So biggest ones, again, it's going to be the jobless claims. And let me mark this for you guys so you can make sure you're seeing this. Okay, we got this one here, this one here. Oops, I didn't mean to go that far with it. This one, this one, this one, and this one, and this one. These are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These other ones, they may cause a little knee-jerk market reaction, but other than that, not much, okay? All right, let's get to the next thing. By the way, if you guys are interested in the copycat, last week for the trade copier group, and let me take a screenshot of this and bring it over. We literally torched the markets. We slapped the markets around like nobody's business. And I'm going to show you what our numbers are for the year. So let me take a screenshot of this. All right, so if you can see right here, this is our 2024 record. We are up 76.52% for the year. So last week we had 14 wins and only 1 loss. So you can see what we did on this right here. We did 275 pips, and we were at a 93% win rate for last week. So again, this is just for the copycat Forex side alone. This does not even include the gold copier, which I think we only had 1 loss. So we're only, after a month of trading, or a little over a month, I think we only have 3 losses in a month. That's nuts. Only 3 losses. And then the US 30, of course, you guys are blitzing it. That thing is just ridiculously successful. So again, regardless of which one you choose, we have combo packages. So you can go to superezcopycat.com /join, and you'll see all the different selections. You can do a la carte, or you can do combos of each one. Okay. So we're just trying to help you guys to make some income. Now, here's one thing that I want you guys to keep in mind, and this is honestly what I am doing. Honestly, what I have going on is I have an account that I personally want to trade, just to trade, just so I can get my little itch out of trading. But I also have other accounts that are sitting there on being copied onto. So the gold copier, the Forex copier, and this and that. So they're being copied so that I know whether I'm having a good trading week or not. I know that these are making me money on the side. Do you get what I'm saying? Now, therefore, for some of you guys, I know you just want to be, I got to trade for myself, but you're not making any money, and you're giving more money back to the market. You're giving more money to the prop firms. So here's what I am doing. I am investing money into buying, prop firm challenges that allow copy trading, such as Blue Guardian and I think E8 or some others. And you guys keep sending in that information. I'll go over it on Wednesday, where we talk about which ones are allowed to copy, prop firms. So I have Blue Guardian with a couple of accounts with them where they're being copied onto with the, with the copycat copier, the Forex, US 30 and gold. And then I have my own personal account that I can trade on personally. So if I just get the itch and I feel the need to trade, there you go. But my personal account will have nothing or impact on these other accounts that are growing on their own. So that's a way to earn while you learn. Or you can just do the copycat and then open yourself a demo account so that while you're learning how to trade, at least you have some income coming in. Okay. So anyway, that's just what your uncle is doing. Do what you guys want. All right, let's get to the next thing because we got a lot to cover. But I just want to show you guys this fascinating, and this went out to lots and lots of people in our group who are part of the Forex, Gold, and US 30 triple combo or the double combo, whatever one they have, that included the Forex market. As you can see, what we also did last week was we cut down on holding the trades, and we were in and out of the trades a lot faster. So yes, we had a lower pip count, but we had much more accuracy and less drawdown. So we were listening to you guys saying, hey, I don't want to be in drawdown that much. Well, hey, do you want 700 pips a week or do you want less pips but more accuracy? Which one do you want? I mean, not less accuracy, less drawdown. Okay, because when you hold a trade for a swing trade, it is going to go into drawdown. That is natural. So you guys got to choose which one you prefer. Okay, let me know. Let me know in the comments, or leave me a message to superezforex@gmail.com, or you can talk to me on Wednesday during live class. But again, we did very, very high volume of numbers, very accurate. But again, we didn't hold any trades like we normally did. Okay. All right. Now let's get to the charts. I'm only going to do the charts for the Ocean Way, which is trend trading. Why? Because on Sundays and Mondays, I keep telling you guys, you're going to kill your account if you keep on trying to trade reversals. The market does not do reversals, okay, unless it's an extreme reason why, such as maybe on Friday, the news was so bizarre that it pushed the markets to an extreme level and then it has to rebound back, okay? But outside of that, it's always going to continue to trade in the direction of the trend. Sunday, Monday, going into Tuesday midnight. I would say Tuesday midnight, Eastern Standard Time and New York time. Okay. Basically Wednesday. Anytime on Wednesday is when you want to start looking for reversals. But before that, don't do it, in my opinion. So anyway, looking at this one, this looks like a great setup for a continuation to the downside on the U.S. Australian dollar versus the U.S. dollar, AU. Let's take a look at this. All right, and I see that is giving me nothing of interest. That is giving me nothing of interest. This does look pretty nice, but again, I'm not going to look at it until around maybe 10 o'clock, 10 or 11 p.m. New York time. Then I'll look and see just to see if it just, stays in this area. If it does, I'll be looking for a downside trade. Okay. This has already crossed over above the main wave on the 30-minute. So this is an indication that this may go ahead and pop on up. So if it was anything for me on AUD Swiss, I'll be looking for that buy arrow since the price has broke up and consistently stayed above. Therefore, that would be an indication of a buy. Same thing here. Okay, made its bottom, broke above. See, this arrow came in. Now it's hitting the neutral zone. So, okay, it looks like that's enough. It says, okay, I had enough. I want to go up. But again, we'll see how the market plays out. Swiss dollar, the Swiss JPY. This has clearly broken below. Let's take a snapshot. And I'm going to make this smaller. Wow. Look at that bull run to the upside. Now we have it down to the downside on the 15-minute. We already had it's on the sell piece right there. But let's wait and see what it does on the 30. If it gets a sell arrow, that might be a great option right there. But the problem is, and let me make this bigger, you see that these have already came down right here. You can see this has already came down, so I wouldn't jump right in it. I'll wait for a pullback first, see if you get an arrow after a pullback, which is why I'm waiting till around 11 p.m. New York time, 11 p.m. New York time before I look at this stuff, okay? Because anything could have happened over the weekend. I don't see anything there. Excuse me. Let me get up here. Here, I don't see anything. This one, I don't see anything. That one, I don't see anything. Okay. Now here's the deal. This one, no, it didn't already happen. See that? This is what I was trying to tell y'all. See, yeah, I don't see nothing here. Market's been choppy, really, really choppy lately. This was a nice one. Oh my gosh. So I will wait for this one to come down because it's been running up for quite some time. Okay. It flatlined, and then when it did a breakout, it broke out. Boy, it broke out. So I'll be waiting for a crossover arrow to the downside on the 30-minute on that one. ECAD, I don't see anything there. Okay. Euro USD, nothing. This is choppy. Oh, it's choppy sloppy. I don't see nothing there. Okay. Nothing there. Oh, I'll show you some of the trades that I was in on this. Like, for an example, let me show y'all this. This was from last week. See, this is reversals. This is when you want to look for reversals. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. You see that? See, caught that thing right up there at the top. Right there. See that arrow? 157 pips. That's when I'm still holding it. Checking on the 4 hour. Okay, I should have got out. I didn't pay attention. Right here, strong support. But you see why I say wait till the midweek reversal before you start taking reversal trades, because it's going to keep running it up, and you don't know when it's going to stop. But when it does, boom, you can get it. Where's another one that I was in? EuroCAD, 34 pips on that one. See, boom, caught it right at the top. Midweek reversals is always amazing. Okay, but you have to wait till the midweek because everybody who was trying to catch the top all this time, they got eaten alive until, guess what? It was like Thursday or Friday when this actually finally said, okay, I'm ready to reverse. So that's why I keep telling you guys, don't look for reversals early in the week. Okay, the later you wait, the more accurate it'll be for the reversals. But up until then, it's going to continue to just keep pushing in the same direction as you saw right here. So if you're a reversal trader, to be honest with you, the best strategy for you is actually simply waiting. Okay. All right, let's keep pushing. We did that one, that one. All right, let's go here. I don't like it. See that accordion, that meow, 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 cat scratching, meow, meow, cat scratching on the board. Nope, it's all up and down. It's just ridiculous. Nothing there. Nothing here. See, this is what I look for. Is it smooth? Does it run smooth? See, this was running smooth. This is not running smooth. So you're going to get faked out a lot. So back testing, all you have to do is go to the 30-minute or the 1 hour and just check it out and see. You know, hit the minus button to make it smaller so you can really see what's going on. And therefore, when you're looking at pairs for trading trends, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. You see what I'm saying? That's why I don't have to worry about you. That's why your trade list can be small. When you're trend trading, reduce the number of pairs you're looking at. Every arrow you don't need to trade unless you're just going to take a quick scalp on it, you know, a few pips. But even then, look at this. This used to be running very, very smooth, and now it's not. So guess what? When it changed behavior, I changed my relationship with it. Okay, same thing here. See, CAG used to be real smooth. Now it's not. Okay, let's go back to ACAD. ACAD is still kind of smooth, but the G's is not. GCAD, GBP, or the British pound, no. So I don't really worry about it. I would just keep it moving. Reduce my list. Now watch this. Okay, this is a little bit better. Okay, this is a little bit better. Okay, we're getting better, but it's still herky-jerky. Now, what would I do on this trade? If I was to have to trade this one right now as we speak, I'll be taking it to a sale. I would actually take it to a sale trade. Let's shrink this and see. See, when you take it out to the 1 hour and you shrink it, now you can literally see exactly with all the herky-jerky, but you can still see that it has a smooth pattern in one direction. It's not all over the place like this. See, that's the 1 hour. I switched to the 1 hour on GU and I hit the minus button and look at that thing smoothed out. So if I had to choose right now, if this trade was right now and they said choose ye this day, which one will you take? Guess what? I'll be taking this to the downside, retesting this level right here. How do I know? Looking at this continuation. I would not be trying to do a reversal trade. Okay, I'm going to continue to go with the flow. If the river wants to flow to the downside, I'm in agreement. I'm not going to fight it. See how this keeps going? Smooth. See? So this is one that I would look for. Let's see if I'm waiting for a down arrow on this one, but it's still to the upside, so I'm not going to fight it. Same thing with this. See, still to the upside. This could bounce right off this plate, right off of the support level right here, and continue up, which I believe it will do. Okay, I wouldn't try to sell this thing. Okay, right here, take it to the upside. Just follow the arrow. All right, GJ, I don't see anything on it. Okay, nothing important that I like, so no. And somebody say, well, why wouldn't you take this sell arrow? Because I don't like the smoothness of it. Okay, I don't like it. It has to be smooth. Because see right here, you had your sell, but then that was a big move to the downside, which means a news event. And now we're going to curve back up and hit right here. So right here, I needed to smooth itself out. I needed to relax, not be dumb because you're trying to go with the impulsive move. You know how somebody is very impulsive and out of control? That's what this was. News event, bam, then it shoots up, bam, then it's trying to go. No, I like when you're entering on something like this. See, the candles are small and calm, not after a storm. You get what I'm saying? So no, I wouldn't go for this. Not me. I need it to be peaceful. I only like trading in peaceful rivers. I don't like all this, hurricane weather trading. All right, let's keep going. All right, so this one here, see, same thing. See all this chaos? No. Like on the YouTube video. No. All right, same thing here. This one is running much better, but it's still to the downside. And now I see price action has closed above the neutral zone. So this could be for a buy in the coming day or two or a couple of days. So I would just keep an eye on that one. And let's look at NCAD. NCAD also broke above, but see, I don't like this. Too noisy. No, thank you. All right. See, smooth. This is what I'm looking for. Smooth. See, go to the 1 hour. Smooth as butter. So when you're trend trading, go to the 1 hour, find out which ones hit this minus button, and only trade the ones that are running smooth. Outside of that, leave it alone. Well, I ain't doing a whole lot of pairs. That's okay. Leave it alone. Better be safe than sorry. Look at this NCAD. Smooth as butter. Ooh, if this market was open right now as we speak, I would be taking the score buy. This definitely looked like it can continue up. Definitely. See? So far, the ones who've been running smooth is actually the dollar because it's been in a smooth upward trajectory. There's chaos around the world, so people are fleeing to the dollar, the safety currency, and that's the reason why it's running smooth. I'm sorry, that was USDJPY. So yeah, if this market opens and it sits here later on this evening in the same area, you better bet your bottom dollar this would be a nice one to look at. This one definitely looked like it want to continue up. Run it up. Yeah, this looks like it's going to go up some more. That's USDJPY. Okay. All right, you guys, that's pretty much it. I don't do the indice US 30. I don't do gold anymore because guess what? We already have the copier team doing that. Golden Boy is killing it. Miss Jenny is killing on the US 30, and the team as a whole is killing it on the Forex copier. Like I said, 14 wins, 1 losses last week. So, that's that. All right, so I think that's a wrap. I think I covered everything that needed to be covered. So either way it goes, I am going to go hang out with Nancy, and I'll see you guys in class on Wednesday.